Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, you will learn how to fix an AEG dishwasher that is not draining.
Fix 1. Check and clean the filter. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the dishwasher. Step 2. Remove the bottom rack. Step 3. Take out the filter and clean it under running water. Step 4. Refit the filter properly. Fix 2. Inspect the drain hose. Step 1. Pull the dishwasher slightly forward. Step 2. Check the drain hose for bends or clogs. Step 3. Straighten or clean the hose if needed. Fix 3. Clean the drain pump. Step 1. Remove the filter to access the pump cover. Step 2. Open the pump cover carefully. Step 3. Remove debris like food or glass pieces. Step 4. Close the cover and reinstall the filter. Fix 4. Check the sink drain. Step 1. Run water in the sink connected to the dishwasher. Step 2. Clear any blockage in the sink or garbage disposal.